in supporting this kind of initiative. No? And I think my colleague Revlec presented that we are the first in the industry to really introduce GM in the country more than 20 years ago. So through our GM corn, it was the first to really commercially operate GM varieties in the Philippines. And it has always been our advocacy to really support our awareness building, capacity building for different stakeholders to really make sure that we are informed by truths. Truths are not relative. No? They're not relative. No? And it is biased. No? And it is biased to facts. No? And that's why through workshops like this, we hope that our media professionals, such as you from the academy, also from the science community, will be continually well be equipped with the necessary tools to how to better engage and tackle the different misinformation about our technologies. And we do believe that science-based reporting is not just good journalism; it is a public service. It builds trust, it fosters understanding, and drives informed dialogue that can lead to better policies and better lives. By sharing stories grounded in facts and science, we can help build a society that embraces innovation for the benefit of all. When science wins, society wins.